Listen up, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're not messing about with fancy foams or Michelin star nonsense. We're going back to basics with 3 brilliant green recipes that'll sort your gut health right out. That's right, we're talking about fueling your body with the good stuff. Vibrant, fresh ingredients packed with more nutrients than you can shake a stick at. We're ditching the processed junk and embracing real food that tastes good and makes you feel even better. Get ready to learn, because we're about to dive in. Alright everyone, first on our list is a green smoothie that will invigorate your morning and stimulate your digestive system. This is not just any green smoothie, it is a powerhouse of nutrients designed to nourish your body and mind. Now, I understand your hesitation. Green smoothie? It may not sound appealing at first, but please, do not judge it prematurely. Trust me on this one, even the most skeptical among us will find it palatable. It is not merely about the taste, it is about the incredible benefits you will receive. First, take a generous handful of spinach. Spinach forms the base of our smoothie and is packed with essential nutrients. Do not hesitate, pack it in there. The more, the better. Spinach is low in calories but high in vitamins. Spinach is a powerhouse of vitamins and iron. It contains vitamin A, C, and K as well as iron, which is crucial for energy. Next, we need some kale. Yes, kale. This leafy green is another nutritional superstar. Please do not turn off the video. Kale is essential for this smoothie, and you will be grateful later. Kale is loaded with fiber, which is exactly what your gut needs to keep things moving smoothly. It is also rich in antioxidants. Now, for a touch of sweetness, we are adding a green apple. Apples are excellent for adding natural sweetness without any added sugar. Core it, chop it, and add it to the blender. The apple will balance out the bitterness of the greens. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Or at least that is what my grandmother used to say. Apples are also high in fiber and vitamin C. And finally, a knob of ginger. Ginger adds a delightful bit of zing and has fantastic health benefits. Not too much, just a small amount. A little goes a long way with ginger. Ginger is excellent for digestion and adds a lovely bit of zing. It is also great for reducing inflammation and boosting your immune system. Now blend it all until it is smooth as silk. You want a consistency that is easy to drink but still thick enough to feel substantial. If it is too thick, add a splash of water or coconut water. Coconut water adds a bit of natural sweetness and extra electrolytes. And there you have it, a green smoothie that is actually enjoyable. It is not just a drink, it is a health elixir that will make you feel vibrant and energized. Cheers to a healthier you! Next up, we're having a go at a classic spinach and avocado salad. This salad is not only incredibly easy to make, but it's also bursting with flavor and packed with nutrients. Perfect for a quick lunch or a light dinner, it's a dish that will leave you feeling satisfied and energized. This one's so simple, even you lot can't muck it up. With just a few fresh ingredients and minimal prep time, you'll have a delicious and healthy meal ready in no time. Start with a bed of fresh spinach. Spinach is not only low in calories, but also high in vitamins and minerals, making it a great base for any salad. Wash it thoroughly. You don't want any gritty surprises in there. Make sure to dry the leaves well, as excess water can dilute the dressing and make the salad soggy. Then grab a ripe avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and add a creamy texture to the salad. You want it to be soft to the touch, but not mushy. A perfectly ripe avocado will yield slightly to gentle pressure. Slice that avocado up nicely and arrange it over the spinach. The creamy avocado pairs perfectly with the fresh spinach. Next, we need some crunch. Adding a crunchy element to your salad not only enhances the texture, but also makes it more satisfying. Cucumber is perfect for this. It's refreshing and adds a nice crisp bite. Slice it thinly and scatter it over the top. Now for the dressing. A good dressing can elevate a simple salad to something extraordinary. We're keeping it light and fresh with a simple lemon vinaigrette. The tanginess of the lemon complements the creaminess of the avocado and the freshness of the spinach. Just whisk together some olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. You can also add a touch of honey or mustard if you like a bit of sweetness or tang. Drizzle it over the salad and you're done. Make sure to toss the salad gently to ensure every leaf is coated with the dressing. This salad is a taste of sunshine. It's perfect for a summer day. But honestly, it's so good you'll want to make it year-round. It's light, refreshing, and packed with healthy fats and nutrients that your gut will absolutely love. Plus, it's versatile. You can add other ingredients like cherry tomatoes, red onions, or nuts to make it your own. Enjoy this delightful salad and feel good about what you're eating. Chapter 3. Broccoli and kale stir-fry. Quick, easy, and packed with flavor. Now for the final dish, we're cooking up a storm with a broccoli and kale stir-fry. This dish is not only quick and easy to prepare, but it's also incredibly nutritious and bursting with flavor. Perfect for those busy weeknights when you want something healthy yet satisfying. This one's perfect for a quick and healthy weeknight dinner. Imagine coming home after a long day and whipping up this delightful stir-fry in no time. It's a great way to ensure you're getting your greens without spending hours in the kitchen. First up, chop your broccoli into bite-sized florets. Broccoli is a powerhouse of nutrients, rich in vitamin C and K, and it's also a great source of fiber. Cutting it into smaller pieces ensures it cooks evenly and quickly. Don't be afraid to use the stalk as well. It's full of flavor. Many people discard the stalk, but it's actually quite tender and delicious when cooked. Just peel off the tough outer layer and slice it thinly. Next, give your kale a good wash and tear it into pieces. Kale is another nutritional superstar, packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Tearing it into smaller pieces helps it cook faster and blend well with the broccoli. Now heat up a large pan or wok over high heat. A hot pan is essential for stir-frying, as it helps to quickly cook the vegetables while retaining their crunch and vibrant color. Add a drizzle of olive oil and toss in the broccoli and kale. Olive oil adds a nice richness to the dish and helps to bring out the flavors of the vegetables. Stir-fry for a few minutes until they start to soften. Keep stirring to ensure even cooking and to prevent the vegetables from sticking to the pan. Now for the secret ingredient, garlic. Garlic adds a wonderful depth of flavor and aroma to the stir-fry. Crush a couple of cloves and add them to the pan. Crushing the garlic releases its natural oils, enhancing its flavor. The smell alone is enough to make your mouth water. As the garlic sizzles in the pan, it infuses the vegetables with its rich, savory aroma. Stir-fry for another minute or two, then add a splash of soy sauce for that umami kick. Soy sauce not only adds saltiness, but also a deep, savory flavor that complements the vegetables perfectly. And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious stir-fry that's ready in minutes. This dish is a testament to how simple ingredients can come together to create something truly special. Serve it up with some brown rice or quinoa for a complete meal. Both brown rice and quinoa are excellent sources of protein and fiber, making this meal not only tasty, but also well-balanced and satisfying. Enjoy your healthy and flavorful dinner. So there you have it, you 3 simple, delicious, and gut-friendly recipes that even the most hopeless cook can master. Remember, looking after your gut health doesn't have to be a chore. With a few simple ingredients and a bit of effort, you can nourish your body from the inside out. Now don't be shy, get in the kitchen and give these recipes a go. And while you're at it, subscribe to the channel for more delicious and nutritious recipes. Let me know in the comments which dish you're most excited to try. Until next time, happy cooking!